Alright, getting a signal that my front marker light bulb is out, and indeed it is. The other one's burning. I've looked online. I see that the way to replace it is to remove the headlight. Folks, that ain't happening. It's not that hard. Just follow along. I'll help you through it. Alright, first thing is turn the wheel away from the light, in this case to the right, to get a little more access. That ought to do it. Next, you just need to get the inner fender liner here out of the way, and you can pop this clip off. Just unscrew it gently, pop it out, and you'll get more access. But quite honestly, there's the bulb. You don't really need to go farther than just this. So you should be able to reach in and just turn the whole assembly to the left and pull it out. And there you go. You got the bulb out. And let's take a look at it. I can tell just from my gazillion years of experience, that's a bad bulb. So let's get a new one. Okay, sorry that took so long. And there you go. Now, just a matter of sliding it back into the obvious hole. You may have to feel around just a little bit to get the alignment right. Twist it back clockwise. Put your fender liner back in. We're done. So, hope that helped, guys.